Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use GNC L-carnitine. Read the product label and confirm dose, form, and timing. Measure your serving precisely, using a scale or scoop, and take with water. Consider taking with meals to reduce stomach upset and help absorption. Track your intake and note any effects after 1 to 2 weeks. If pregnant, nursing, or on medication, consult your healthcare provider before use safely. Start with the recommended serving on the label and adjust slowly based on tolerance and goals. Many people split the daily dose into morning and pre-workout servings to support energy. Avoid exceeding the suggested daily amount unless advised by a professional. Monitor for side effects like nausea or restlessness and reduce dose if needed. Keep a simple log for 2 to 4 weeks to evaluate results and optimize timing for workouts. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot brings music and voice control to any room, perfect for workout playlists or kitchen timers. Check the description for the Echo Dot link and other deals to save time and money. It's compact, smart, and easy to set up with your phone or smart home. Now let's get back to the video. Check ingredients for stimulants or added caffeine before combining with other supplements. L-carnitine can interact with thyroid medications and anticoagulants, so review your medication list. Start low if you have kidney or liver concerns and get blood work if unsure. Stop use and contact your provider if you experience severe stomach pain, allergic reaction, or unusual heart symptoms. Store supplements in a cool, dry place away from children and pets.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.